A lot of clients are asking about their APR. Interest rates are based off what you deserve, what you earn. If you have great credit, you're going to get the most competitive rates. You can go to any bank. They're going to give you the loan, no problem. That means you're being responsible. You're paying all your bills on time. You're not overdebting yourselves. So you earn the best interest rates. Then you have clients that are starting credit. You're not going to get the best interest rates. You're not going to get the worst interest rates. No credit is better than bad credit, right? So the APRs are typically right in between because you're considered still to be a risk factor. They don't know anything about you. When you first start getting your loan, you're going to start building that credit. So the next time you get a loan, you earn that great interest rate, or you might have a high interest rate. And then you have clients that they're like, I cannot get a car anywhere. I had 3 repos. So your credit is shot, right? It's bad. And you're in the 400s. This last example was a client that came in. She asked me, what's my interest rate? In that situation, it was 23.99. Oh, wow. That's a lot. And I'm just like, yeah, you haven't paid your last 3 vehicles. They've been repossessed. This is going to be your 4th chance. And then they have a friend that was with her. Her friend goes, oh, wow, that's really high. I said, yeah, it's a little bit on the high side. Can you co-sign for her? Her friend said, oh, no, I'm not doing that. Before all this, she was telling me how she gets great interest everywhere she goes. So I'm assuming your credit is great. She don't want to help her friend because even she's concerned that her friend might not make the payment, right? If you don't have the best credit, you made some mistakes. We're here to help. I'm going to get you the best interest rate I can offer you in your situation. My goal is to sell a vehicle. For me, I would do 0% interest for everybody. That way everybody's happy. But remember, when you're going through a second chance finance program, your interest rate is not going to be at 5% or 6%. You can't compare your payments versus somebody that has great credit payments. You have to face reality. It's a high risk loan. So you should be grateful that you got another loan. And what I recommend in situations like this, let's just say you have a high APR and nobody's getting you approved and somebody's finally giving you another chance. Make sure you make that payment on time. Pay more per month. The more you pay a month, the less interest you pay. It goes towards the principal. Just make sure that when you do the loan, they explain that that's how the way it works for their loan. All the loans we do here at House of Cars, every single loan, if you pay more per month, it goes towards the principal. So the faster you pay it off, the less interest you pay. That's what I recommend. And then when you get the second chance, don't mess it up. Remember, people, you earn it. So whatever you get, it is what you deserve.